Hello, greetings. Welcome back to the Drummond channel on Monday, January 7th. I'm sorry, it's Tuesday, January 7th. And this is an update from yesterday's call, yesterday's analysis of the NASDAQ. And I wanted to show you the intraday move as it looks, using the Drummond methodology for some of the newer folks out there. We're going to get focused on this bar right here. That was today's bar, and the big white line there, that's 20,616, and that is the weekly PL dot and the monthly envelope top. And I expected that area to hold. That was right in the area of the daily envelope top as well. So we had three different time frames of support there, and it ran right through that area following, I think, some economic data came out this morning. So down here a little bit below the monthly envelope top was the 1-1 high, went straight through that. There's the daily PL dot, and then there is a 5-9 up there coming through there. And so all those areas of support broke, and I want to show you how that looked on the intraday chart. Now we have an hourly on the left and a 5-minute on the right, and over here on the left, top left corner, that's the market client are getting ready to come into the opening. And looking at that from the overnight market, price is contained within the yellow band is the hourly envelope, and then above that the red is the 240 minute, and then the green is the daily envelope. And so right there you can see that something took place on that last bar on the right inside the circle. And we want to see how that looked on the 5-minute chart over here. So on this 5-minute chart on the right, the red envelope, that's the 60 minutes. So we know something's taken place. Price has been holding up above at the top of the 60-minute envelope and at the 5-minute envelope top. We get a nice breakdown, we get a breakdown here, and then a nice return up inside the 5-minute envelope, up inside all the way up to the 60-minute PL dot. And then 60-minute PL dot holds on close, and this is where you're going to want to go short. The upper envelope top, the envelope top has been holding. PL dots on the 60-minute and have been holding, and prices can try to get up there above the 5-minute envelope, but they keep returning inside. So the aggressive trader is shorting that market, and he's putting his stop up above these previous highs. Now, of course, none of us can forecast that we're going to get this huge move down, and we're going to get this huge move down as well. At this point, we can see where that higher time period support comes into play. And how is the 5-minute chart reacting to it? And it broke it on this bar here, and then this next bar, it held on close. So you're still in this trade at this point. Nowhere are we getting anywhere close to getting back up to these 5-minute PL dots. So there's really no risk in letting this run. What you want to pay attention to are those PL dots on the 5-minute chart. Now this is most of the day on the 5-minute chart, and this is where things get a little interesting. We see this exhaust move down on this 5-minute bar here, closes back up inside the envelope, but where is it doing it? Is it doing it in higher time period support? Do you see any support levels there? The daily PL dot is way down here. Daily envelope top is way up here. Hourly support, there is no hourly support. So getting excited about this being a reversal, it's not reversing any place where you would expect it to. So it's a counter trend bounce. And hang on, let me clean this up a little bit. So we have this counter trend bounce on this bar, and it gets up there towards the envelope top, pokes through it a little bit and closes at the envelope top. But this very next bar fails, closes back down at the PL dot, and this is time to short this market again, add to a position. You can move the stop down, stop, not expecting prices to get back above here. And the next spot to pay attention, obviously, is when we get down to the PL dot. Now we have an exhaust bar on the 5-minute chart. And where does it take place? At the daily PL dot. Definitely something to pay attention to. And when you see this bar close at the PL dot, that's the time to cover. And whether you want to risk a counter trend trade or not, that's kind of up to you. You take your profits if you got short up in this area and enjoy the rest of your day. Then all we see from there on out is a lot of congestion action, and could be tradable, but you know, the bias is to the downside now, and you know, the big move is already over with, and now what's taking place is the energy of the market is dealing with this strong move down, and the energy of the daily PL dot, and it's fluctuating around that higher time period support. And not a whole lot of tradability there unless you're very nimble and you're used to this congestion action on a short time frame. If you have any more questions, please keep them coming. This came from one of the Drummond community, and always happy to elaborate on what went down and, you know, where the Drummond methodology points to what's going on and how that you can anticipate what's going to happen next. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again next time.